A day of relaxation and fun at the family pool quickly turned into chaos and panic. 3-year-old Nicolea Sampson, who was visiting her cousins, fell in the pool while playing. An alarm was raised, and out of nowhere, 10-year-old Parisa Samuels dived in, desperate to save her cousin.
When I saw her in the pool, I was very scared. So when I saw her, I had to hurry up and jump in for her and then take her out of the pool.
The 3-year-old was unconscious. What happened next tipped off a series of events.
I heard someone crying out, and when I turned on the music, I heard the lady crying out, she drowned. So I run come outside, and when I come outside, I see her arrive gate.
Miss Facey is not trained in CPR, but was instead driven by adrenaline and tried anyway.
So I check her pulse, and when I check her pulse, I feel that she have life still. So I give her CPR, a couple seconds until one car come and go by hospital.
The 3-year-old is alive today, and while she may not swim professionally in the future, 10-year-old Parisa believes it's a skill all children should acquire.
It's important to learn to swim because if you're in danger, you're able to help yourself and help others too. And you should start learning to swim from a very young age because, like Nicolea, if you fall into the pool at her age, then you're able to get back up.
As for the 10-year-old's mother, she's beaming with pride.
As Parisa said, parents, you should teach your kids to swim so that they can not only save their life but also save other people's lives. Swimming is very important. It is a costly venture, but it is well worth it.
I'm really happy that she's alive and I was able to save her. Thank you, Maggie, to save me.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kalisha Williams.